We're here with Aberystwyth Town's goal scoring hero, Jamie Reid. Jamie, and yet another game, another goal. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's good. It's obviously the main thing is we got the win. It's obviously nice to be on the score sheet and just keep them going. And yeah, it's good.
It's obviously meant a lot for you coming back to Bangor tonight with a very special place in your heart after all the good memories here. How does it feel to get that lovely reception from their fans?
Yeah, it's always good to get a nice reception. Obviously, I came here to do a job, and that's what we've done. So it's the main thing.
Obviously, tonight is the last game of your loan spell at the moment. What's the future hold for you now?
I'm not sure. I'm going to go back. I've obviously been training with TNS over the period, so I'm going to go back and speak to both managers and see what the plans are, and then I'll go from there.
How have you enjoyed your time at Aberystwyth?
Yeah, it's been good. I've enjoyed it. It's exactly what I came here to do: get games, get minutes, and score goals. So yeah, I've got everything that I wanted from it so far.